gets it done. Ito ngayon si Ruby De Leon. We rejoin the action. Noel Zarate alongside Andre Mulya and AJ Pareja from the arena dito po sa San Juan. Melissa going, keeping it alive. De Leon, a nice block there from M. Penetrante. So kanina yung opensa ni Phil Cainglet na bumubuhay sa Meralco, ngayon yung depensa ni M. Penetrante o ano.
At the net. And yun yung magandang nakikita nating balanse, ano? Any rotation na napupunta sa harap para dito sa koponan ng Meralco really works for them.
Nice block again, Penetrante again. The players of this Meralco squad are all employees.
Yes.
Doon nagtatrabaho, with the exception of Ivy Remulla and I believe, hindi ko maalala kung si Jen Reyes yung isa eh.
Si Jen Reyes din is actually not an employee.
Yes. So sila yung import kumbaga dito. Oh, Roses block there.
Pati Mercado, also not an employee.
Okay, so yan, tatlo sila. Blocked pero lobas yung block ni Paneng Mercado of UST. Still with UST actually. Penetrante, sinubo kay Roses. Hindi na masasakit ni Gohing yun.
19-14. Micah Morada.
Serve ngayon, Micah Morada. Former former FEU middle attacker na nanalo ng kampyonato noong 2008 para sa Lady Tamaraws. Na hindi lumaki katawan.
Oo nga, di ba? Pinag-uusapan natin na one of the few players.
Parang Andre Mulya. Oo, di ba? Parang Andre Mulya after your playing years, pumayat ka pa. Bakit ganun?
Hindi nagkakalayo. Kumakain na kami ng 3 platong kanin.
Lokong metabolism yan. Another timeout, this time by Meralco.
Itong si Coach Oliver na nakita natin na very specific instructions kay Penetrante dahil si Penetrante hindi rin naman naiiba sa kanya. Of course, he was part of the coaching staff nung naglalaro pa si Penetrante in
and now of course the head coach of the Ateneo men's volleyball team. So 20-16 ngayon. Pero nakakatakot yung kanyang board. Ang liliit ng mga pyesa. Baka malunok yung isa doon, di ba? Dapat may warning yan eh. Choking hazard not for below 3 years old on the court.
May ibang iPad na yung ginagamit.
Si Coach Oji Mamon of UST likes to use that.
17-20.
So another point here, Coco Wang, parang gulat na gulat sa pangyayari pero kinakausap siya rito ni Oliver Almagro.
Sara Soriano.
Ayun nga, like what we mentioned, kinakapa pa rin trying to get a feel of the movement inside the court together with her new team.
And of course, how Philippine volleyball is played. Here's a running attack ngayon, blocked there by Soltones. Because kakagaling lang niyang Indonesia, so iba style ng volleyball nila ron. Jen Reyes, Coco Wang across. Ruby and Jen Reyes. Magkakampi na tayo dati ate. Paneng Mercado, nice drop.
Kung just like the Emil Luceno, yung setup niya kay Coco Wang, then syempre the height is different, iba rin ng timing or iba yung height ng set na kailangan niyang ibigay.
Elsie Gurley Quemada seeing her first action here. Quemada keeping that alive for Phil Cainglet. Off the block and it still goes in. So magandang gising ni Phil Cainglet ngayon. 22-17. Elsie Gurley Quemada once again. Ito na yung kanya short serve na nakakaloko. Combination play and Gretchen Soltones shaming the former, I think naalala ko one-time libero si Elsie Gurley Quemada
naging libero siya
ng St. Benilde. Wow. Drop ball there. Coco Wang. Matatawag ko itong Coco Liangga mamaya eh. Nilabas ko na para hindi ko na siya matawag na isang singer. Coco Wang. Giving Meralco a 5-point lead. Here's Banatikla. Oh, nice block there by Wang. One more time around. Maru, this time blocked by Morada. Back set. Back line. Jen Reyes, good reflexes. Cainglet runs into the net and Ruby De Leon laughs at Phil Cainglet.
Sabi ni Ruby, ano ba naman?
Ruby De Leon with that sharp serve. Quemada with the reception. Out of nowhere comes Morada off the hands of Suroses.
Did you see her leap?
Ay, nako.
Amazing explosive jump mula dito kay Micah Morada.
Di ba, Charo Soriano, isa kaya si Charo pumapasok na ngayon. Yan, anomaly yan eh. Yung mga...
Pero yung balik ng kondisyon, of course, it's different, gaining weight and all that. Yung kondisyon niya, you can see it really getting back.
Lagi ito si Nika Guliman. O, isa pa yan. Hindi rin lumobo yan after her college days. April Lucena going to Phil Kainglet. Blocked there by Roses. Penetrante going back to Phil once again. That's the Bacolod connection there. Here is Sue Roses. And Smart making this interesting.
21 to 24.
Triple set point para sa Meralco. Quick set ngayon to Negrense. Big. That is Penetrante. And she gets the block. De Leon on the back set para kay Sue Roses. Lusot kay Kainglet.
And right now, lahat ng puntos dinadala kay Phil.
Meralco. Score.
And a timeout by Oliver Almadro. There's the 1 point. Binuhay ni Guliman pero maling direksyon. And Rudy De Leon gets a workout trying to chase that one. That for the first time this conference, Smart Maynila loses a set as Meralco takes it 25 to 22. Phil Kainglet, maganda ang panimula doon, but you get the sense na ito si Coco Wang is starting to get the feel of Philippine volleyball. Tignan natin yung ating shaky play dito, Ann.
At this, atake mula kay Morada.
Ayun yung drawing ni Coach Oliver eh.
Oo, and executed as instructed.
Second set, sa aming pong pagbabalik.
Ako po si Jem Fair ng Smart at kayo'y nanonood ng Shake It Kilig Open Conference